Haddenham was a typical joint wayside station about 4 miles north of Risborough. It was a long way from Haddenham village, at least a mile, and it's been replaced today by Haddenham Parkway, situated near the overbridge in the far background. Here's the return working of the Birmingham Pullman, the 1650 from Paddington. The train had stood all day at Paddington. It was so unreliable they had to keep a spare set available. And once again we see the 437 Paddington-Wolverhampton. This took an age to get from one end of the line to the other. It called virtually everywhere, and quite often got sidetracked to allow faster trains to pass. This certainly stood for nearly half an hour at the next station, Bicester North, to let the 510 from Paddington get past it, and also Slipper Coach, which this train then took on to Banbury. 4923 Aynsham Hall is the loco, and what's the fireman throwing at the signalman? Oh, it's the Banbury Auto diving into the up platform. Black-painted 64. This is going inside to let the up intercity pass. It's a long pull and a strong pull, especially for the distant. Up comes a king on the intercity. Same rake of stock with the restaurant car in maroon. In past, we can get the Banbury Auto on the last stage to Risborough. War. Between Haddenham and Prince's Risborough was Ilmer Halt, a little timber platform serving the village. One of my first trips over the line, I contrived to overshoot this halt, and a lady waved an umbrella at me as though I was a tram driver. I had to set back to collect her to go shopping in Risborough. And finally, another shot of the 437 with a depressing haul going north to Wolverhampton.